Indonesia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, today, I just haven't even today because you know what? I'm very happy or I'm glad now today. I'm very cold and impressed today. I got a best, teacher. His name is Fahmi Hanifa beside me here. You know what? Every single week, every single time, share something about English, share something about vocabulary, about the idioms, anything about the phrase, about English, culture English, state in the United States, state in US, exactly. Share something about culture, about sharing about the languages, sharing about anything about the history, about the art, exactly. And then I'm very happy because I meet again with the best student. I'm not talking or calling about his name is Rian, calling him like student is the best friend worldwide notice. His English very totally impressive me, very tall also, very good than before. Right, today I want to discuss or share some my media, my opinion about is it important to learn a foreign language in this era or this day and the end of the day? Or, you know what? Alright, let's say the foreign language. You know what? I'm not talking about you have to learn like English, Russia, Mandarin, Japan, then Spanish, Italian, Rwanda, Dutch, anything what I want to learn, Korea, and then Thailand, anything about Thai, Malay, Bahasa, whatever you want to learn. But from this to the end of the day, not only people but also animals can speak English, including Mongols can speak English. One more time, remember my words. You know what? Don't be a fan. You know what? When I say that, from this to the end of the day, not only people but also animals can speak English, including Mongols can speak English. You know what? This is my voice for exactly. You know what? Since 2010 at time, I have a lot of people, a lot of students, a lot of my friends want to join with English language time. 2010 at time. My experience learning English 2009 at time until 2020 now, almost 12 years start learning English, and now I'm still learning English. The best in worldwide. It's from Hanifa here. It's the best in worldwide nowadays. Every single week visiting here to join with us here, teach about English here. This very many impressive, many very tall on the planet today. I have made seen hit by coronavirus, about 2019 September the time. A lot of my friends couldn't coming visiting here just because people are afraid of the coronavirus. I don't worry about that. Even though nowadays coronavirus spread worldwide nowadays, the time still exists nowadays. I never get never get give up learn a foreign language. Already now I focus for learning English because I'm preparing for visiting tourists from Europe, United States, United Ambassador, visiting the art exactly. I'm going to hold them, I'm going to accompany them, I'm going to be as tour guide here, you know what? Because as tourist guide we have to master English very fluently, very totally clearly, very totally good, you know what? Just because we don't have to make taking start when you speak with the speaker exactly. And then now I have preparing for learning Spanish. I got like making call with my friend from Mexico, Mexico, and then in Costa Rica, and then there's Barcelona there, Spain there, I got tourists, foreign, foreign exactly because after now it says suitable for the same mobility time. A lot of people doesn't know about the art exactly. I'm gonna tell something like something in art exactly. Then I'm gonna tell a story about the art exactly, agriculture exactly, and then I think people very kind, and then very friendly actually people. That's because when the tourists sing here, I'm gonna explain or I'm gonna share our story by each other. Alright, so just remind my word. You have to remind my word. You know, but from here to the end of the day, yeah, not only people but also animal can speak English, including Mongolish can speak. That's my time. My skin up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.